Welcome to Open Broadcaster Studio training, where you can quite obviously capture what you're putting on the screen. So unless you type really super fast, I don't think your viewer is going to want to watch you type. The best thing to do is to prepare your materials and to decide what you want to broadcast, meaning what screens, and go with it from there. Are you ready to look under the hood of the Open Broadcaster system? Well, here we go. This is what it looks like. And unless you're freaked out, please don't, because it's an infinite screen. We're capturing a screen of a screen of a screen of a screen of a screen. And you can see over here my button saying stop recording. I'll take you through it so you know how to do it. First of all, the most important part is looking for a source. And clicking on the plus sign, you can already see the variety of sources that are available. Video capture, image slideshow, media source, and what we're doing right now, display capture. So that's how you specify a source. And you're looking at my screen and everything that's displayed on it. It's just what's being displayed on it is OBS. To the right we have some microphones. We can settle up here a little bit. See that there was another microphone added. Multiple microphones. I'm surprised at all of that. But we also have the capacity to capture desktop audio. So if your program goes and has audio itself in it, such as you're showing a small media clip or playing some music in the background, it will also capture that. So it's pretty simple. All you do is click this button when it says start recording and click it again to stop recording. But obviously you didn't see me click it, so I'm going to show you some tricks. The tricks are in settings, and we'll go through them. The general settings pretty much don't change. The first important setting is output. And many of you will open up to this basic screen, which is saying simple. If you found that, I can't change it because I'm running it. Please change it to advanced, because unless you're streaming, which is going live through a service like Twitch or YouTube, which requires a lot more knowledge, you need to go to the output mode of advanced and click on the recording feature and switch it to X264. Right now it says same as streaming service. If you haven't gone to advanced and clicked on recording tab. So this is kind of important to do, okay, so that you are encoding it properly. Now, I'm not going to go into the weeds of what an encoder is and such like that, but the other very important thing you should notice here is your recording path, which is on the local drive. See users video. So you can go ahead and take a look over here. I can't because the dialog box is open. Oh yes I can, it was just delayed. You'll find videos right over here. So you can see all the work that I have done and am doing currently. Okay, so just going to close that. And also note that what you need to change it to in recording format is MP4. The MP4 format will upload to YouTube and or Schoology. As long as you don't talk too much, you'll stay under the 512 megabyte limit for Schoology, and everything will be fine. Again, your files are stored in the recording path. That's likely the local drive, and they will be, once you change it, recorded in an MP4 format. Audio you probably don't have to tweak. I've accepted the microphones as the default microphones and the speakers as the default. I don't believe you need to specify it. In video, I've never had to specify it except for making sure that your desktop resolution is either 1080 or 720. If you have another figure down here, it really won't work properly. So make sure that the base canvas, before you even begin, is that. And I'll try to show you what to do with that. Okay, you right click and you choose display settings. Alright, and it's right here, down a little bit, where you choose your display resolution, and the bottom number has to be either 720 or 1080. And again, I won't go into the details of it, just be glad you have someone to tell you, okay, that that's what it should be for best results. Okay. Streaming, I'll just briefly say that there are streaming services. You can see them right here. The way they work is you'd go to Twitch or YouTube and you'd use and get a stream key. You'd copy it and paste it here. So if you want to stream, that's fine, but you probably don't want to be live. You might just want to put the video out there, let the students see it when they want, and that will be it. Okay. Advanced, nothing to show there. Let's move off of stream to hotkeys. And one of the things that you would do is start recording with a key, F1, stop recording with F2, and pause recording with F3. So, you know, I can show you how to get this. Out of the box, this pause button over here doesn't appear unless you do this in output. Just go to advanced, go to recording, and change it to the encoder being X264. If you say same as stream, it won't show you because a pause button, because you can't pause a stream. That's one of the advantages. So if I have a goof or whatnot, I can just simply hit any one of my keys, F1, F2, F3, to do it. Okay, so that's it. I'm going to close the settings. And this is the basics on how to capture a screen. I can go to the web and in a new tab show you the OBS Studio, which is at obsproject.com, and I can download it here, and it downloads as a self-installing executable. So there's really no problem with that. Let me go back and say that it's in 3 different versions. And I'm not really going to install it because obviously I have it already. So there's lots of videos about, well, not this one, but how to pause recordings in OBS, which is where I got that information that I'm sharing with you here. The more you search on how to do something in OBS, the better you are. So with that, I'm going to sign off and run another video with some more advanced features, but this is enough for the absolute beginner. Thank you.